This week's case study was on Mastercard's use of AI. This one was actually pretty interesting. As I went through and looked up information regarding how Mastercard was using AI for fraud detection, it was interesting to see that they were using algorithms that were complex enough that it was reviewing millions of data points in under a second. As a matter of fact, what was documented by Mastercard is that they're able to review all of those data points in under 50 milliseconds, and they are watching each and every single transaction as it occurs. And when those transactions come through, their AI automatically assigns it based on a point system. It assigns it a score, and if that score is within a certain range, it's considered fraudulent. And their system is designed in a way that they're able to text their cardholders stating a purchase is trying to be made with a certain dollar amount, and ask if they actually tried to complete that purchase. If the cardholder messages back no, they're able to stop that transaction immediately. But really, most of the time, their AI is able to discern whether the activity is fraudulent or not, and it will deny the transaction just right out of the gate. Their system is also designed to reduce the amount of false positives that they get, which is pretty incredible too, because it really has to be able to determine whether or not this maybe is just a random TV purchase that is just out of the blue, that might look abnormal, just based on history, data, the different bits of information that it has. So it's really complex and it's pretty intriguing. Their governance program, though, was what I was really thrilled to hear about. They have a governance program that is set up so that they do an initial review on each and every AI project, and as they get done with that review and they feel like it's ready to move forward, they put it through a more intense review process where they talk to legal. It goes through all their technical folks. It goes through business leadership, and everything is reviewed to make sure that ethically they're doing what's right, and that from a business standpoint, it matches what they're hoping to get done. I really think Mastercard's actually got a great leadership and governance framework set up that's perfect for this. For moving forward with AI, I think they've done a great job setting themselves up for success. As I reviewed this, there are opportunities. Deep fakes are becoming more and more. They're happening more and more often, and I think it's going to require Mastercard to put a little effort into finding ways to try to educate their card holders to protect themselves against deep fakes, because AI only works so good, and if you just give all your information away, it doesn't matter much. Anyhow, that's kind of my review of Mastercard. I was really impressed with what they're doing, and that's it for this week. Thanks.